the Knotty Artisan.
Alright, Knotty Nation, welcome back. It's me, Bronson, the Knotty Artisan, and today we're showing you our Super Coat Slow Cure Polyaspartic. This is our petrified wood technique. As you can see, there's the finished product. This is what you can expect to see when we're done. Starting out, we grab the Slow Cure Polyaspartic. It's our Urban Art resin as usual, and it's going to be mixed at a 1:1 ratio. And carefully measuring it out. Oh, there we go. Once again, Super Coat's mix ratio is 1:1. I like to do about 1.5 to 2 ounces per square foot, so you get a little bit more coverage with the Super Coat than you do with the epoxy coatings that we use. Some of the questions we get about Super Coat and why it's so nice is it is a non-yellowing compound, so you don't have to worry about yellowing. You can see the table shaking a little bit as I bang it out. And we're going to go in here and mix it up really thoroughly. It's got a nice peanut smell to it when you're working with it. And in this very particular one, we used a white base tint color. We also used a black base tint. And you're going to see a big fat typo coming up here in just a second. And there it is. It's our Urban Art. It's brass mica, not Brad's mica. Also, we got our chocolate mica. And my favorite color in the arsenal is Fire in the Sky mica. It's a red gold color. You're gonna love it. And so here I hurry up and mix this stuff up for you. Check it out. Mix. Pour. We're gonna pour all this into 1 cup. As you can see, it's almost like an acrylic pour. We're just layering in the different colors here: the blacks, the whites, the micas, all the colors, all that kind of stuff. And we're gonna get it all in there. You'll see the colors are reacting with each other. It looks really cool. We're gonna spread out some of the regular untinted Polyaspartic there, and I'm just going to spread it out all over the board there. What I'm looking for is just a surface for the Polyaspartic to go over so this flows really smoothly and easily and break up the surface tension, so I'm spreading that out right there. There we go. And get the edges real quick so we get a nice flow over the edges as well. I'm going to grab my cut and I'm in slow circular motions lay out the product across in a diagonal manner there, and it's going to leave some nice rings. That's why we call it the tree ring pour. And we're going to pour it all the way back, and you're going to see here, get to the edge, and I come back with the circular motion. I didn't really love that, but luckily it did flow out. We have a lot of material on the board here, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. So I grab it up and we just tilt it out and flow. So what I'm trying to do is just get to the edges without pour all my material off just yet. So I'm being careful about the way I flow it. So I flow it to the corner. I want to work my way back to the other corner, and now I've got a nice coverage on it, and the product will self-level, so I'm not concerned about keeping it on the board anymore. So I'll set it down here any second. Set it down right there, and I'm going to tap out that little surface tension right there. Take a look at the board, and there's what it looks like 1 hour later after it flowed all the way out. Hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell if you liked it, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one.